If I I'm for your more. That's your first. If I I'm for your more.
Wow. And that's how Congo memoir. I no pay the idea sinino as a man for she sinisa. Tizena Obia wa no artist ni. I'm Robert's fan of Moko to see Bang this one. Oh, Wakra. I'm Robert's now got to see Bang this one. Moko no Mochich or more FA a bank where you might follow. Your four Muninas hostages. As a 1 year fast, or more boo your friend is saying, or more baby as a carcass and power. The strong room said, Amubu and in a man for gadget to say and go for now. Yachi or Ghana police is for Chum Nomde, Omudianzo, a Robbie Bank. A man for gadgets I can see. And now a Congo police force so better to show. Yes, it's for Nibesha, dear guns. The difference a woman is a anti action cut. Difference what they see, you know, any the Yashan was cinema, and they say anti action card, but cinema pokra and say anti action card. Sadia Nabiana na boys be me amunya boys, some young penny for no more Ghana, how much no targeting rural banks. Then there are both and be 400 million binu akwaje 200 million binu akwaje KW 200,000. That's a 20 billion no more akwaje amusha say free sa bullion ba casio so hwan both and near kunku police for ega disika no that's a akronfo omo is so sophisticated ama. I will say your police force you train more sophisticated. Now you just say your police, your passing one, no about making a crown. Oh, boss, you, Allah, boss, you. Why be here, boss? Hey, boys in Sujina, boys in Jagan, me and any what you man out here? It's me, my bed, you may not miss me, Baby, Allah, boss. You want to make well boss in that channel? Want to make well boss in that channel? They say, as a police, young ones now, you don't see patrol as a one barrier no. Domo ya ni sikaji. Penifo na dia penifo ni chiro mwana mo so to aso. Domo ya. Any ebe sound rani sisi ya. Ebe ma fancy bi ebi ori asibia. Just so you can give them some 10 series, some 20 series. 29 weni. Ebi ekosi ye ni. And then so I say my there Abraham na ekoso aye trending issue so odi abeje say eya odi abeje we see we superstar who wachi da bia wo had a news na abeje bia ntimi Charles Kodofosu Lumba free say Lumba e dan bonkum so Lumba ahead there's a headlines were top sa be anga be me bia yes said be who are still now I'm over the can once them still oh obi o superstar no obi who are still you can once them and yes superstar who you are and a review be Daddy Lumba is a superstar, he's a legend. Etin am tin said ne wo fa se ba ko ka say tenka wo to nyum brofu man ko o che Michael Jackson and the obo yeah the obo Michael Jackson was a god, like he was a god. I didn't man nipa our nyum tum. But another Daddy Lumba watching some no a mami akusia say was some of the koda court and no mutrasi okumasi. I have two people on the standby on my updates of what really happened, what really transpired. But who videos ni bi ni pe ko gu court onye ni paketo na mo e fa mo ho ben mulumba bi ewu ana mo amukogu court mulumba bi ewu ana. We share videos in a new home for minimum class or more journalist. Oh, Kumasi for kumasi for pen concert too much. It's your nana honey a day. And for the first time, no be any penny be any ball a year. Auntie Ernestina, so Unim and Auntie Ernestina lumber near Bapping. Or the dean, I was she rough. Or the dean, I'm off on himself for tea, and I know like Nenia Ding, lumber near back to a for tea. I'm off on his own and Nenia Ding, but hey, oh boy. It's for the first time, Auntie Ernestina Kasai. Also on Pese, Yedi Camre Biabetono so. On ye ready for that. But Tobeso Chile say, Assembly name chow heya. It's in the near Brisa Crodom, Onfe Niagro. She's not gonna let it lie. Down Abra Yang Bia Nayasi Kwaku Sieni, and also on Ching. Apu, what a way. It's Lumba de one heya, yes, ye no. Ye. Man here you know. I'm ready a year back next year. Oh, Charles. Maybe I will be a Kafra wife. Now so answer come. Also media macramo. Yakachi, the Munibamufanya. Video Michael, this is Nita 100.9 FM. I'm faster than Dr. Farah Dixon, faster than GM lawyer Kennedy Santios say. We are here to drive you home. Mixed bag, entertainment, information, news, social, everything. Bibi near their firm. It's more feeding in now, my name is Mr. President Sandra Sinela PG or Shefi. I will produce you from afar. DJ Kwaku Foreigner from the Kukurantumi. I saw you Kukurantumi. I don't know how you're voting. You will Kukurantumi. But we are voting, you will Kukurantumi. I don't know one car. DJ Kwaku Foreigner from Kukurantumi. Prema Abankro from Asante Mampong. I want to be free from Honor Lumba Irene. I want to be Bema. Who say Lumba Irene? It's and some no be a copy or a year your friend say Kumasi High Court. So we have a report to her. Na Mashe Ade. Ya head this see we hona most who don't be near free. But before then, I saw a very warrior on Casse. Anuma, Lumba boy, me the pie, Fache, or the Fache. One and no strength on Fanche. The year crow releases annual. All right, so yeah, Baby D and Como. Ebedi nkomo kakrabi e de bie nkomo ni nyina no na ebedi abrochire hu nkomo ebedi abrochire hu nkomo so ba abrochire ako unya abrochire abeko e na ye ready ebedi abrochire hu nkomo man beat them ya ade gofo ko mbrochire ade gofo ko mbrochire on the any America. We are not what we show what to America says here. What are you talking about? But me or Mr. Dennis Boafo. Dennis Boafo. You don't have friend Dundee. I know the year CEO for Ghana Music Awards USA. Moi me call USA. Papa be not driving me driver no. Or no any you. Yes, sir. The driver no you. Papa with a mommy or mommy car say me van you pe bia you know. I say takan nechi. Don't use the old ban or car ready that. Settings pa. Uncle Gardener. Mr. Dundee Akwaba, afternoon, good evening, Bibi Abokode.
Charlie Bioda no kwanso.
Yeah, US burger back baby. US burger back US my dress am wo mi trimu nyina papa we dia. Kase fade ekoja ni fi na de ko. Baby a. Don abroche de on.
Chala woche de.
Abroche de.
Woche de. O de. Ba Ghana de pa.
Ghana de cha abroche.
To me dear. Na Ghana de pa. Who Scadia?
I only Scadia Ghana and Yedo. I saw your Bema now be Lumba star. Yeah, we are Bema now be Lumba star. One say Wobia was format, but he said the only say the best format for any Lumba star. Said a bear will be net yet do siadi.
Is it like God like subject because
what you say, you do siadi like. Your body is a heart to say you see Olumba. As a Mojan won you, 18 out no the end time bono. But as a Mojan had similar issue. A man for Antina see, but or winning the case we know. And a man one more person or who say, say as a Mojan Irina no worry no, say Obano worried that. So she was a married woman.
Bo.
And you know, ye suben be a yardin say ye 2 free bear man chain, ye nin kasa BM for years. Our guno. The same situation.
So sometimes now our guno no.
But in Remuno, our that's all.
Lawyer no
what I say. It's you know, as a Mojan issue no cobanina, ye say na the baby man or person checking, or Koyan cranny DNA, and as an I that has he thought about the effect of the man crown. Ebiani and you kwane ye the engineer. As a gonna lawyer bem my in sense who na make no lawyer bem obetini to me person me friend answer ada etin kra ne ne wo mo
ada asif say nkra no munyia obetina ye forever
ekra munyina mukọ
omukọ na
me nyini me nkoi ekra munyina mbeje ya wako esu ne wo ya de dachi bi e de pepe ye bebe say wo nyini nkra no ho ena nkra no Obai so sisi nkra ne ma ade a man e meti aware as no say na enti unya nkra ne sika ma omo ebi was enti me man be di den ase be man de chese on ka ho baako na eduru die ehu a wo de mo papa ba beto mo ne di huru na nkra no enti yen celebrate me ma Ghana man ko
worldwide
sir we need to change the narrative o say asesa no enye fair. Eti ade
ma say man no do no dramatic. What I say?
Am you there?
Dramatic.
You know what? Yeah, dramatic.
Oh, dramatic.
Media narcissist. Media narcissist. It's you know, as a Mojan the Mao winning case, you know, was the fact that court release said on any na on any woman, our was invalid.
The property don't mean
eti oba na ono no de kwa koja aware nanka wenye japade no afi aware kro na wo ko pe japade afrim ne sesa aware nka say invalid because wa ware obi a woni ni njai eti wo kra no wadada man
wo kra say eti wo kra tum
wo ti ase wadada man no ba man no ono a ni papa yomu na o je japade ni ma se je because me no wo ma o ni papa
be go hem so na nkora no so no
ende nyema sema Ave mi wo lawyer penyini pa oda din but onam say kan ifanu lawyer be pa che odi ni de me bona mi tin age se wo boa mi o ma me odaroma ma bon kakra banko school papa eti your lawyer is it Elisa Ena Nuko Nakuo Ena Kumade.
That's correct.
It's your lawyer Elisa Nakuo Kumade. Ewofia. But lawyer we there oye abroche trained. Oh no. There be abroche na ne you know. Mutie lawyer na ba kwese dakra. Lawyer no our bachelor in Arts, Geography, Resource Development, and Archaeology, University of Ghana.
What's University in Ghana?
Also, a bachelor in Law, Bachelor of Laws, LLB, the Nansen Yanum Koya Bibi, Yano so University of Ghana. Osai a barrister at law, no Nigerian movies in our title. Barrister. And look at lawyer also a difference, no. Neighbor. Ghana School of Law, Accra. Osai a member of Ghana Bar Association, member of State Bar of Texas, and Osai admitted at the U.S. Northern District of Texas Bar. Osai a member in American Immigration Lawyers Association. Osai a member Dallas Bar Association. Me patrobaya me Kenya baby a tonsa. We a law for bar. We a law for bar. As I make a wo be bremu. Lawyer, what that room? Barrister, any lawyer, and the difference in it.
It's just the role you play.
Okay.
And lawyer bet to me a barrister. It depends on the role you are playing, but sometimes it depends on the jurisdiction. Exactly, because attorney or attorney, lawyer, barrister.
You know you can attorney.
Attorney, exactly.
But Momo can say attorney. It's your attorney or your barrister, son and lawyer.
Exactly.
Okay. Me share a lot of who's seen in more. All I hear is mean tantis or more lawyer, barrister. You know what you're saying.
It's also a term for a lawyer, but the broad name is a lawyer.
Okay.
And depending on your functions, you can be a barrister at law and you can be an attorney. But all of us are lawyers.
Oh, the lawyer no na ye
the top umbrella
no. Tinye no.
So like specialty.
The barrister no eye nefa bi. Opa obetimi akwa akujina.
Yes.
But still now you're a lawyer.
Yes, you're a lawyer.
And now person obetimi akwa akujina attorney.
That's right.
But still now you're a lawyer.
That's correct.
Attorney for no muso so lawyer duma sembe no mudi.
It's basically very similar.
Okay.
So the attorneys, well, jurisdictions also can depending on baby our. So in the US, for instance, to say a be barrister, but nipane a lawyer, your friend a attorney.
Okay.
Nipane all the duties as a barrister so.
Okay.
But for instance, Nigeria, to say the way I can, Nigeria and the baby now can a barrister.
Yes.
But omu lawyers so.
Okay.
Ebi musu your attorneys.
But omu
so it's the jurisdiction.
Omu ni mana.
And the me who see American.
Because me tis omu can't tell you that they be a barrister.
And they am.
Na mo barrister no yeah any can lawyer na difference na mo training is different. But after no me ati so mo nyina ye lawyers.
That's right.
Na mum no eh baby a and nan kra pese ogina so. Any kurukura ogina sa na ni so. And they describe it say ye be fro attorney. I like that one. Attorney. Na attorney. Na
but most of the time barristers court. Lawyers be hormone court. Most of the time barristers here conform court a lot.
Okay.
Litigation.
Okay.
Now it be more hormone office. Once a lawyers be hormone office or more company or more contracts or more clients casa, those are lawyers.
Corporate
law.
Corporate institutions, you know, lawyers are and yes, so could dear some court. It be as a contract in one no money shame. No more advice you almost say we there be you in free and fight. Or more dear no. Or me lawyers, but or court.
Exactly.
The same company now best our lawyers are or mum ne court mom.
Yes.
Oh.
Ebimu ye both. Ebimu ye to say me ye both.
Okay.
Me ye contracts, me san court. Baby mu or strictly or mon court.
What do you mean to say? The boy. Nipa bebre prison. I say as 801 whiny.
Hey, Ghana.
Shit. Is it as a lawyers are yeah, or my passive bano deben so far you're 11,000 plus. So that's 11,000 and share then also sir. Ghana. The whole Ghana 11,000. Oh, you hear more, you hear bear 1 million. A fan also by politics. A fan how many politics.
America, how many lawyers?
So many lawyers.
Oh, Anya minimum America there. But me bow hui. And I'm going to be a who sign border lawyer for a year advert. Let's say Honor Chess. So it is a lawyer in the Dawson. There's a lawyer for the Dawson. I might say, or more pre Jumayo. And yes, Anity.
That be pre Juma.
Then advert because Ghana is a lawyer in your advert.
That be Ghana want to mean advertising, but in the US, will be to me advertising. Once you are given the leeway to do it, why not?
Hey. Let me go so TV so and commercials not lawyers. You know hey. A crowd and a lawyer for ya but be. Anyway, so lawyer yeah.
So lawyers no almost specializing. And your lawyer beyond I'll be call your general practice. Because you can easily get into trouble. And to be brain now specializing, for instance, construction, will be to me one lawyer or your construction law will be so employment law will be so immigration law almost specializing in one area so that you don't get into trouble because suing people in the US is very easy.
USA
very easy. Very, very easy. So you specialize in one or two areas and be good at it. But in Ghana, general practitioners lawyer baku to me ye bibia or criminal court, civil cases, family cases, bibia.
Na so to me specialize or baby back so wow.
A lot.
But lawyer and cannot stress near pay immigration lawyers 10 American ye can walk out. 10 the whole 10. America.
So the American Institute patron.
You can. Lawyer only any packet lawyer name my main stand ovation. Yeah, per lawyers a kuku dam immigration. Edu yedo kan ho. Ghana niba. Oh, di enu nyama bre Ghana say black star nko. Say black star nko na share enu nyama. Lawyer nyamisha but there's a who so no what with that war immigration law as in immigration grant tree base. Omoti ase. Iti ye ka immigration e moon sema na say mumra udi akutini rumpa
patron
akwantu law
iti ena udi akutini rumpa idie ene me yemfa nje wa haya ye de tie Ghana but the be hu ane say mo president Trump wa chichi ye chichi ngrofo yes ye do makogu ice blog bim ye wi ane ato mo abagana bacho ebia ye yentia say de na ekoso America in respect to this ice blog here chichi ngrofo kogumi so
so they are Martin am part in a way
okay
but majority of the time social media patrometry na enye papa so me dey brofo be
fafra yet was
okay so most of the time in Crawford to crime free Ghana eba abrochia ye more specific period of time so motina America
okay
but otina bro sa specific allowed period of time now one year what started say who accrue unlawful presence just say why illegal at that point no you bet to me a foul and walk back to your country because who ban no so ba be visit
and you ever see my best 3 months so o visit the amount the example that your amount 3 months right
now what could do 3 months na apa ho 1 year hwe now what now 1 year now onam chrome and now say what commit crime who cross red light and now speeding tickets now police stop you or baby sa driver's license only be straight away baby sa form of ID only be they will arrest you then they will be called detention center and your ice blog detention center ice near immigration
sorry
ice near immigration and customs enforcement
okay
ICE ICE immigration and customs enforcement customs no more protected border no
okay
so immigration no NMA for permission to enter and stay for different reasons so into ICE no enforce those who are illegal to leave
okay
into no be jacket be able throw which ICE in white but and you say nenam no picky Crawford keke most of the time in Crawford I be picky commit crimes and funny enough foreigners
videos na ye hu chichi Crawford gidigidi no
most of the were tip-offs and were lists of people most of the time or majority of the time in Crawford na be chi no commit one crime or the other we through country about America o person be na America ebo brow America then you commit crimes obviously they don't want people who are coming in to commit crimes
okay
so when him say we need papers and now bro wansi then you live a very cool life and take care of yourself
na ye wo fa no mo ye no mo call Germany o mo ni papers ebi abohu na don akopa adwuma oye bema esno kra mata paper e no de adwuma nti o adwuma ye bo mata na bema na age so woda ne ku onko committee crime bi ya baba chi no sesa na wo pa kire but who need some paper no and san konko ya de ma ni ma.
That's right.
Oh, okay.
Obetumi atina me cassette utina where right oh. We are illegal. We are illegal.
Ways.
I say you're safe. You have to just be safe and live right. But there are many who know my clients are more detention center and more detention. About 90% of them committed driving whilst intoxicated.
Oh,
DWI or driving. And I said driving without registration. The vehicle is not registered. Okay. And are driving without insurance. And are crossing red lights. And are speeding. All these things, yeah, bet you.
But lawyer, I think under normal circumstances, is a crime here our committee, like what mentioned, Obia or what legal right to live in America, no? Or committee crimes Yankee and Pamono, right? But who need legal right in Wasako committee crime? No?
Yes. One can say so Kodada. Watch it. And to see now watching ya chill. What committee crime you?
Okay.
And the KO FIE.
Oh.
But see, there's a caveat. In conform or green card, no, that doesn't give you the license to commit crimes. There are certain crimes, if you commit as a permanent resident, you will never become a U.S. citizen. The green card can even be taken away from you. Into a green card.
Green card, no.
Permanent residence.
Okay, and Chester, we are citizen.
Dabi. Okwa, what the visa nebeko. From visa, no one move it to green card, and a permanent resident. From there, no one apply for citizenship. And so when you have blue passport.
Okay.
Into steps.
Okay.
Ube citizen and no. We are then I am pamel.
Yeah, I'm quite any baby adoko.
Except say, or one who say, process our fast sunya citizenship a fraud and misleading. And the number to me just citizenship ne flow. And the immigration judge is the only one that can take your citizenship away from you. But green card the USCI is to me a J from them. Easily. The fact that you're a permanent resident and a green card holder doesn't mean that you are 100% safe. Not at all. In Kofu be brave. A green card and a permanent resident card. No? And I'm more apply for citizenship. Either because I'm say too expensive and that process need long and that's all to me. Yeah. Even you want for more US or more green card I'm on Tibrofu. I'm on Tibrofu.
Or to US on Tibrofu. Okay, so on your Ghana.
Oh yeah, different countries. Ghana, Nigeria, any country.
And
Sudan.
Spaniards boy.
Bebre. I'm more a permanent resident. That's no kita green card. But I'm on Tibrofu. Because one requirement say be a citizen is say pass English writing and reading test. But there's a way around it.
Okay.
There's certain exceptions. Into minimum for marketer green card for 15 years. Also nim say it's possible to become a US citizen. Omunim ebimusu wa green card omo to coin free US abetina Ghana. No matter bro 6 months. Omo call back and no munya problem. Into green card enye 100% safe sir. Better say be apply for citizenship. When you have blue passport, you know why you're free.
But lawyer, may you say same way. Say you be a omo friends say DVL or say the American lottery. Omo friends say
DV lottery. Yeah.
DVL. Say DVL.
No.
DVLA, a driver's license office.
You Ghana there. Say it's yefa so be winning that DV lottery now. Now say a banner so we winning. Then we winning as what?
We winning. That means you're choosing a lottery.
It's you're choosing so obey the obey citizen and as a green card.
Obeko embassy no akunya visa. No to kwanya by US. Obedua address no the mine no. Ombe mailing the green card a brand and a permanent residence card a brand. And so kita sa green card no a good person. Usi ejuma no file taxes. Unko commit crimes. Very petty crimes to say crossing red lights once, twice, that's it. You don't have to do anything more than that. Now after 5 years, no apply for green citizenship.
Oh.
To make it a green card no for 5 years.
For 5 years.
After 5 years, you will qualify for citizenship.
I no so who for the right process so
yes.
you be American ni prekope.
Yes.
But who we need lottery now quite just why be American just ya bo atena se.
Exactly.
Any e be hwe wahwe. So who betimi atena as American here. It's you sure no one commit crimes be after 5 years now then you can apply.
You can apply for citizenship.
So what about be American?
No, I be American.
Wow.
Now family based well like everyone is always worry we here now. How long they will take you once and my citizenship and yeah matter say you 2 years and 10 years be
3 years.
Okay.
So who are US citizen? Now
But a very popular business.
who are US citizen? Now US citizen file application mawa. I bet take it some time. Ubenya social security card. Now when your ability to work permit. Now why you juma? Within a period of about 12 to 24 months, green card you be approve. You be call interview. You be approve green card na green card number. Data what green card ni so no. Any data who worry. Who worry? Example who worry 2010. Green card ni ba 2012. Afe we be kita green card no from 2012 for 3 years. 2013, 2014, 2015, and now green card need 3 years. So at 2015, still why worry US citizen now? We bet me I file for citizenship straight away. But what divorce now?
3 years.
For 3 years from the date of issue of the green card.
Well, a lot you need there also 5 years.
5 years.
We bet me apply. I say I worry. So I worry US citizen there 3 years.
3 years from the date of the green card.
Yeah, the green card
now exactly, and yet data will worry.
Okay.
Data yeah the green card now. 3 years from that day, we bet me I file a citizenship application. No, be a citizen. If only you are still married to US citizen. But only US citizen need new hobioma. It's all trying 5 years. 5 years from the data or green card near the mouth. And so now I apply for citizenship.
Now, menini hobium saying.
Say divorce, mwe jaya worry.
Okay, ti ya no nyina no emra no bebisa. Say ye ja worry ana. That's ye ja o say ye dey ahyenso dey eche say ye ja worry beche.
Exactly. But say mo dey divorce decree. Enti application bia u mailia, it goes with other documentation, supporting documentation. Enti u be submit birth certificate, green card, copy of your green card, passport picture, filing fees, divorce decree. But when you and now you're in it here, documents we will have won't submit it. Okay. There's no need for a divorce decree. Still motive, exactly. So it depends on everybody's situation.
But what I maybe young can tree said a bear bruni be auntie. 80 or more moody business, you know. Risky be woman, say be a building if I meeting for an example. Ebia, there we are Bema. Ebia, we a US citizen.
Okay.
And menina shisha. And yes, I worry be na may worry no, but me ye PCS ya worry. Just so a bebwama menya me green card no. We are metrianica. But one scenario no, meaning so ya away. A business, or bet charge me be a medu be a main kind of broth no mati. Ebi obeji me empima dunu. Se bibia goes through a. It's you know on paper no menene ya worry for. Ewa America for enim. Na mum yanti momo yan wari o yan re yan hu o yo bi yiri na misimi yo bi kunu ba krata no obo ama menya risk bi om.
First and foremost, scenario now we're creating is illegal. That's considered marriage fraud.
We no catch more.
We catch, but yes, say Ghana 4 year juma wo mo. Into Ghana 4 exactly. And the scenario now we're creating is an incro 4 year meti. But it's wrong. Your friend a marriage fraud. Intimate can't want them. You're wrong. I cannot encourage it.
They say wrong from the start.
Exactly.
Hey, I was a lawyer, immigration lawyer, free America. Don't be so bizarre.
Also, the name may be silent. Also, who worry? The Mr. Martin, no. Who worry? Nani panu. Levan is me citizen. Nami worry about. You see, about 2 years grace period be. answer the amount 5 years green card 5 years green card and also to say
my mintia say so who worry American citizen me worry American who to me for example who American
okay
me worry American citizen na ye pese file said be obema me so menya green card na a process to get in to be a citizen
so
yes about 2 years grace period
for to show say I'm pass
my worry
and after the amount 10 years sorry after the amount 10 years and so at the say
lawyer the can yampa enti mo worry I'll use examples it's easier to understand enti mo worry 2010 now kunone file oyerin made the whole year example oyerin file green card application now you approve it within 2 years wa worry and brew 2 years how do you say is your marriage is within
and brew 2 years
exactly and brew 2 years
yeah na di enkomo
our really within 2 years okay. Near approve green card you be my 2-year green card your friend a conditional residence or your permanent resident or your green card holder by a conditional yeah the 2 years name ma I should say only nipa ne betumi atena until 90 days to the expiration of the 2 years no now the application atum say afemini nipa na atena ye bomu still until you condition ni free me green card ni so na ma me 10-year green card what you say
that na make up a 10-year green card bra metimi enya citizenship to say na uchire mu
but don't forget say wawaria you can only file citizenship within 3 years but green card ni 2 years I expire until say remove you conditions ni free so near my 10 years application no but there's a way you can go about it who submit your application now you can still go ahead and submit citizenship time I will do 3 years you don't have to wait for 10 years but say application need there say a woman so why is citizenship
now what if say everyone say ola aware na year no 2 years so it's on that now for 2 years answer now on marriage certificate no I'm aware for 2 years answer now we apply for green card and obenya 2 years and obenya 10 years
obenya 10 years straight away until waware na abro 2 years at the time of approval obenya 10 years straight away because mo atina 2 years I'm still moti but mo waware na do 2 years obenya 2-year green card be bro 2 years obenya 10-year green card
ekomo aye die ni nyina ye de aware na mpra twe nso
eno so wo ho fiancé
se obi bia oti Ghana na nimpna eye bia bema opese oware no eti America ono oye citizen ho but omuhia wo internet so no modidi nkomo bema na bagana babewe kakra hu se bibia da na akwa eno wako back oba no pese ono nso kobi okobema ne nchen the fact that oye nimpna no akonya wo betimi aboa na wotimi akoka bema ne sa
and a dozen several ways mo worry me starting from fiancé your boyfriend and our girlfriend ubet nipa no betimi file fiancé petition ama wo mba in kola so betumi enya bi na mo akọ embassy US embassy no ne yama mo fiancé K1 visa afi wo betu kwan wo beto plane ticket no wetu kwan about US condition ni say ubedu ye na within 90 days na say mo worry
ayenye ready
and the ye mamu
afena me ne betra be hwe ni ye the be me ya oni me obako yi ma worry wo ho o mpena nom 90 days say so
that be 90 days does a does cry too much
sir
ubetu me the one day I check is anyo money nia say wo person hu say obi a worry ana nipa ne worry ya sisi internet ni bibia wo so nsi ese onya nipa ne information nipa ne din full name nipa ne date of birth no wa check baby oti now I check what in the county oti abrochen the way you Tema Accra Dansuman in the US your counties every county be on a court
okay
into your municipal court district court now person search you be information no I check your address and nipa ne baby oti no e wo county ben unya sa information no I check is county no municipal court marriage registry free it's public information. What the nipa ne din in the date of birth tuma I bet you say nipa na worry and on worry
okay
but utu kwan by US with fiancé visa within 90 days na nipa na worry wa there is no way I'll be to me any green card nipa ni jaw na oja nipa ni kra obi fufo ntumi nye mawo. Let's say nipa ni jaw now she another person or US citizen now say o me pel me person me file him out, don't worry, the nipa ni ye wo no enye nipa ni ntumi mboa. The only solution is we be free US as back to Ghana. No as per different visa as and there to kwine biom. Fiancé visa na very strict. Until before I make sure say nipa will be worry no. And I said within 90 days.
Why you ready some person mo worry no. Now what ma obema na ye ama. No akọ. Because say na wuchiem no within 90 days me drew or say worry.
Say mo worry within 90 days. Mo worry so say mo file mo application immediately. Mo train so too much not just say let's say who of fiancé visa. Who no customs amount 3 months to stay and 6 months. Now if within 90 days no why worry all right. But once submit your application answer 6 months next expire, you better deport you.
What say?
Ampa. I said we'll file it within your allowed period of time. Also, they will be to removal proceedings. Removal proceedings and no any deportation proceedings. We be call him immigration judge. Say you deported won't bra Ghana because why overstay? It's true someone worry.
Aware no nhihye ye ni si.
Nini are conditions of that visa. Into who
you know what mean this wa enkope.
Menko. Abroche so what aware enye that stressful to say Ghana. Nkofo mienu betumi akọ municipal court. Akọ pay marriage license no $68, $72. Utu area now akoda after 72 hours no aba judge no be worry. No expenses. No, this is Texas law exactly. That's Texas, specifically for Texas. States be different. Once a US, you have 50 states and the District of Columbia. Okay. States be different, but very similar. Enti obiani de we are obeyeno. Very cheap to get married in the US. Very cheap.
To obachen say, when we do America na what shall be it's now met me court.
G papers.
Marketing papers I got to show you worry. Within 1 week now met me worry.
So more worry in the engagement.
But Jersey the
engagement.
Jersey over here no Pennsylvania you need witnesses. Just I'm passing.
No worry. We send any actors or but me bacho so until we know the muche the nurse or more worry in the simple. And ye deni bia
people on penis and
ye call your engagement bia Thursday na Saturday ya babe ye paper so there we dey unya nipa ba ku mienu bi na moko district 1 na wakosa ma wa tizeche wa de ni bi
mumie ni
say sana chewa yes
minimum
o me in make
minimum
is a known ade o abotina da oni ni kun ne koja no mo sensan
no
problem no mo kwa sorry for that
let us Jersey law this
I don't come to sense I him I was a di a abrochire ko ho nkomo wo de ezia bi asemo America ya pambi ne bi nso so bomba say de ombeko ho metisi ase Ghana for say almost 3,000 omugu ice on the fridge ni aye twende o maba the wuchie mu the nurse bebre na no they could have fell into one of those things I will mention.
Not all, some, but not all. Majority, over 90% have done something. But a few people are normal different means to adjust their status. Either some were US citizen relatives, US citizen spouses, parents, children, or they qualify for certain kinds of applications with the immigration court, like cancellation of removal. Who need let's say won't worry, you won't need husband and our wife or your US citizen obey to me and file them out. But what's an acronym for about 10 years? Now to me provincial or qualifying relatives. Now one committee crimes, uye juma file taxes are. That kind of application are available in the immigration court. But unima unim. And in Bebre no more detention centers, no. They are able to submit these kinds of applications and more. But they don't know, they cannot afford it. While lucky omu konya ska when he edit your lawyer the abey application amom.
But them debate chat was immigration force them. Nti omo a ye do omo akọ detention dem. So mu bi nya lawyer bi ti sewa. Na wo hwe ni nsem is possible say betimi adwucha bi mo.
Yes, in Kofu Bebre. In Kofu Bebre, there are several humanitarian applications wo. For instance, betimi only family members were Ghana. O papa wu, o mama wu, your only child, o uncles were UK, o cousins were South Africa. You don't have any ties at all in the US. Now a humanitarian basis for staying in the US. Who are cancer. You are getting therapy, you are getting treatment in the US.
But no, just a lawyer beat his on a battery charging.
You need to know what to file.
Then when you're lawyer,
exactly. Internet see a boy mono.
I'm way advertising. I was here, neighbor, my main cook, Kumasi, Ranaminji lawyer, so I didn't show us my EBD or Kumasi, who Mene evangelist Papa She. Mia me wafa, me brapen. Mia me sofo. Eba be din komafa. E ne court asetena no de kosi ye ewo Kumasi High Court. Evangelist in Pacho, what you mean Kamajo? Uncle Papa. Ebacho wako de.
Erade nyango pa domo de yenkwa che ye kra nkwa je ho adwuma.
Enyamiase. Si enye ye kra nkwa ho adwuma da ne da nyina.
Amen.
Aye mfanya akwadro.
Amen.
Evangelist we do adaroma we dey me ba ho nmiri na me pe enkomodie kakra bi fa de si wo court enne ede ya ye maame akosua sewa ede ni asem kodan court no enne ye se court tenase adaroma na wo hobi ubetimi atwamfoni kakra kire de ne si wo de na judge ne kan
da Erade ase osi ade nyina yemfa aseda ma no nti aseda nyankopon dia na de tosumienu so watie for any listeners na eso so mechia ubia so o Yesu Kristo demu
amen
ye ba bedu Kumasi endra na ene anope Erade ya dom ne court nti utemo for awotena adwam yini abadi na Erade ma ne ba betena adwam. It said the mammy akosua sewa for Sudadi Lumba, the wife. Dying I him no, or the Nasam go down court back my myself. I would more for a prayer as some name. Inti mammy akosua sewa for a lawyer of Pano, a lawyer Christy Ekasai, and a canuno swa na yasama or mono, and I said me and son almost so. Lawyers about the casa and according to judge and say Nipano and the Penny ever file motion be a none of paying in the falling in Ama and Yama slow and now woman so no is almost so do documents be by almost say I'm ready and other parts no almost so I'm ready into Yabuzia. Penny be a ban as the unknown ma judge no to woman now for say and Kabeya and Capenuno Mamia Cosia the 1 year Busia Penny substitution any nearby Odubuni or Monsha Sank Kabeya Smujiba Pakran and Kabia in the court to Amapu and Kaope and so Samadia or the Ashet 28 no Ama lawyers none as one would do a homo pass on a bar now on 1 year farm and say to omunyeme yi no mumanya sa or the ne pen basis so na the say oye no but take it on 28 sana isi me trinity am ebo topa nti enfi ma me akosua say wa side bon ne mum ona na nko ma be defend wo mo no na wo mo ne ma no nsisi so ama wo
Nessa evangelist ya wuche mu no ekosi se ebusia panyin so enya lawyer mo so ede o mo defense e bai
na no prayer na busia pani ede ipa foforo e bae ono busia pani so akofa lawyer different but the ono busia pani akofa lawyer nanga yini abano yisu na yini abana akofa different lawyer sana kokoye
oka yeni aba be na wo boni din
meka odobroni
okay
ampatwa
okay
sana ekokoye nti busia pani so ebe fare ena no pay mum ese late nti the point ya no na busia pani e confronto me so pamatonka ye nkasa ene mama ene sina fosu eye Daddy Lumba ni sister pani on in Germany ono no bedu nene na nsa from Germany nti ene ne ba nti ene o nkasa na nka mama akoso ase wana pepepe yomra ena ye me ka chance when ye chance ye kind of from the beginning but ya can be sebe si ebukom na one team a obi begum akọ baby ena abai so de omo ka no kre nti na mama akoso ase wana mama ns na posu omo de omo asemba beda judge no any court no nti omo pese court no e ka asem no because be omo jana na omo jina omo pese ye ka asem no na pepepe yoba na dia sumutwi eba omo ntwene tan omo pe peace but peace no with justice and yes peace there compromise adia enye na magia tum say ye the enye na ye because it's baby adia ni dar one fan to wa if you talk na dey cause you know a lesson ya Ghana mine the whole world will be abisua afa adiu sana mini
evangelist na say me tumu tokro kakra lawyer nanka odobroni aye Priscilla onaka onene na so wo kan Priscilla asema no e say woni ne nya adwuma bi woni abusua panyimum na ye adwuma e na Priscilla afa lawyer foforo
na adane akoye
na ene asetina no mepacho odobroni nso so ye bodin se bi ono so de na application bi nso aba anase ne response bi aba mu ana
ye boni din ena different lawyers babe present ema no like say omo babe gina mu ma ono odobroni na de wantumi amek ye hu no court
ba ono nanu disem so ye de ba court
debi nanu disem no omo ka say lawyers na so put woman name together. I want to judge instruct woman say I want to woman name or shall say the be stop on into what the marriage tree woman I am mamma say wa the lawyer no ena demand is any on farm branch tree woman said the beya woman may excuse no more infant delay time concerning chimuche judge my judge so it's here. Na odi emrati chire wo munya se tie banesta na se mi pipa bi anya ready ana me zanka we ana ma elita enye adwuma wono no court
nati yedi nkomo ni sie no na se judge ne chire se ebeya anka omuntimi ntinase na omun solve asemu yi
wo se wona de akutuo na wo tu omo so mo ma pepepe yomra so mbetimi asolve a ye ma pepepe yomra tie kwa yenye na infrio na ye ka chire ne se yetimi aye nanka entiase aba nanka ye mano okra na ombebo amane ya openisa senso ye hwena entiase ntimi amade ya wono wa ready say utimuafo so wo so wono nso so mpeso be cancel ni bibi because odo Daddy Lumba utie ni nyom ene niema ena wonim nyom ne nyom anti ombeso de sa niema no ebegyina so na emu peso wo ye epepe yo de no kure yes, auntie. Wama afenuni na say yanko danwene ho na yem put things together. And then we have to penny in make us and carry say the betini am femam se wan nke nkasa say when it begin ya sama ya ka bedu ne ya e kona chana mo ko kona chana mo so samo e kona na we ya go kasi e ba se bu am fa pepe yo ama
abotoye mu so ma all right evangelist
mama say why jina de e wan ujina baby lawyer kusi jina no e wan ujina baby ns na kusi jina e wan ujina omo so omo de omo pass we ne mum no ba Mr. wa fushi on na yikuna 4 0.
Okay. Medasi evangelist Papa Shi Nyamishra. Medasi bebre. Amen. All right. It's in the sea wo Kumasi eno no Nyami aduma ochina anopa yebeto asa nkomo no so ba. Osa mede ayi abrochire nkomo yi part 1 ni esi ha. Lawyer. Obi iti o. Opese okọ America yi bi. Futu ben na odi be ma no. Amiede nkomo no part 1 yesi. No ochira no de part 2 na. Bi pese okọ America. Futu ben na pese odi ma ohwa. Futu de mi jama tiefo wa. when kuampo ebeboa
nyoma na ese ye kan no edoso because opese otu kwan a visas ahodo bebre wo ha obetumi de etu kwan applications bebre wo ha obetumi aye me say me ye immigration law and I me practice family law so most of the time no family law and immigration no intertwined.
There's a moon she bebre
exactly. Enti wa opese otu kwan no either say obetu kwan based on family petition and now obetu kwan based on a visa and now based on employment different kinds of visa obetumi use the etu kwan but akwanto no de obi am block obia betumi aye application once oni obi a immigration lawyer onim dia oye bekasa or beka trail requirement say ohia for one kasa particular kind of situation na o the paperwork no abu ano
what she share kama
what she share paperwork kama na wa file application nyame boa wo call interview na ye the visa ne be ma but ye were different ways I will be to me to kwan enti ye ma opportunity na we hu immigration lawyer o per se only immigration lawyer kasa ye ankofo bebre dream say e very expensive to speak to an immigration lawyer, especially the fact that you are broche. Very expensive. It is not true. Me say I am offer free consultations. Say ube frame ya me in charge. I me no ube kasa show the so ye. Now starting now person ye now person me boawa. E hon ye be can't seek asem.
Okay.
But majority of the time, very reasonable. In my own opinion, I think say standard of living in Ghana and cry a higher sin yeti abrochi.
And them no nyage.
Okay. And it possible say we be to me afre any immigration lawyer akasa ebisa questions about sin a person to kwan and applications a o person o person o di to kwan. Very possible. And in crowdform mu tie me. O person mu to kwan depending on how o person o to kwan. Free phone number way 214-997-1758. Mo amu abroche no mo be dale number
be na dikan 214 enti abroche number
abroche number
na sisu bi
enti mo amu abroche no mo be free 214-997-1758. Mo amu Ghana no mo de +1 214-997-1758 na mo afre mo betumi afre wo WhatsApp and mo betumi afre directly mo fra mo be ka say mo per consultation mo pese mo ne mekasa enya me nko aso so na me lawyer wo ho ba mo betumi ebisa se mo pese mo de immigration lawyer be kasa ye be available ne wa kasa dia pese o ye bia ye be boa na wa ye
that's it nyame adumo channel pe be hwe kwan ye be fa so a ye de football boy ya qualify for World Cup e kwan ye be fa so a ye nya ba mu nipa fo ye beti akwa ball ni bi ana don me boa
yes na GM so dey be famu on there
what you say yen nya ba because I be politicians do mo go for ngwa na be ko onyi kan ho a yen fa wo ko lawyers are net here
da bi enye sa
politicians no sa net here sa no be
sa wo
nti yen ni kamafo ye say no say mo kire kwan a yen so betimi afa ye kwan so simple ya ko hwebo ni bi
it say wanya kamafo
sisi a wanya kamafo
me kasa mo tie
me kofu bebre
because okay say me hu lawyer Elisa wa on be come me etie for ye nyina so ye come for ni
enti na mo pese mutu kwan no mo ko hwe World Cup no media for mo betumi apply for visas
ha ne ye be kan channel
sawo okay visas na dos
channel pa na ye biem any media for ni entertainers a mo so pese mo ekobi no den yenye kwa be no be fa so obi wa onye adwuma ma company bia ise blogger senior adi onye adwuma ma company bia do so onu hu kwan onu ko abetimi afa so obekọ wa kohwe bi iwada wo ma yenya wudie etwi nsuo ni nyina na me hira pa don ochi ano pambacho yeko media ne sports for wati lawyer nyame hira bebre ma me wati nyame nyoke se wati
amen
nye easy o aya nyame hira Inia, I'm your case. The patch of minimum, ye be share pomude. And I'm pese mutie bi. Hey, it's a ya pomudin was there be a woo Johnny. I was a minute lawyer, Elisa Kumade, and a dean common way, American lawyer, Ghana lawyer. Oh boy, I didn't know media Sane diabetes. And now say Yaria Kikahunano said one call for the Abraham Herbal and Spiritual Center. Asofa, a star or in Echiwa. Because now saying Madame Fubako, Nasi.
Wow.
Last this week, here, no, man, anyway.
Oh, I didn't hear.
It's a cervical cancer.
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, some.
It's dog, and ya pomu de he fan ye hwe.
Mate. Ya pomu de me da se na e fa de bem herbal and spiritual hospital kana ote. Ye say ya pomu de a ye hia ogidie. Yes, na yarewa no utu na mono de odi weni chire asoye nkwan de ye de ahan krogen e na sayare. Uhwe na de ekoso no nso unhu anu oni punemu nso a na ehunhumu anso ade weni chire asoye ho a ye bebo aje ofo ye betenete na me adom nti. Ti fa ye numbers no eno na obehwe so e de aba asoye ho. Numbers alfra ode ba asoye no e 0244 37 16 95 0244 37 16 95 and answer 0559 114122 0559 114122 and then Dr. Fadebam epese ye hwe adusia fa haban eben bebre bebre na em say 83 come de you can relate to haban ye hwe apomudin kwanso fa so enye free bokoboko haban bokoboko haban bokoboko agbefo bi friend no yebugbe na agbefo bi so friend na em say come by no kontomre anamonsi ni during 83 e come by no
we na need dias kontomi and answer me no Twitter you should be there to Twitter say a powerful power today also I want de kro na me say alatafo bi so be comment say
omudi and dey Dr. Fadebam say kasa hahan ya no nche say ohu bibia keke na sabe otu etra because ebi kwa na de onim ne okeka nkra no bi okwa no bibi keke na aba ne timenti me ni adufudi echi prempi wo say utie na wasopam nipa na oche no bi say nipa na kasa otensen se kwatire ka be ma ontoma na wati ni
din
sa ni obi keke na oti keke so ye de camera to no so na okasa enye won say ye ka no 3 consecutive herbal practitioner ne juma ho te a come Father Abraham Dr. Father Abraham we know what we are saying and then Dr. Father Abraham epese ye hwe in fact so ye free haban ye friend no ye boko bi oni muja so wabre oti mujeduro abrofu dokra de na bibi yew na won gidie say yetimi no ma say wo gidie say abrofu de na omoto edodro nyama na eye wakono na onom na no be ma muja na obo ade e de haban mujeduro moa eni krami na obi a waye hoya moja ya ade ba kwa bebre na anim obi so timete prekope ana obi wo ho ya na enisubri eta eyew eto aso but you never know says me cry me nim ye am you as dey kon obi beka so obi akom na do didi come but still wo ho na etimi eta blackout on and off na moja to mojedro ba ko na haya mojedro ba ko na Dr. Fadeba match say bokoboko na ade ba ko am ni je ho no say wa hwe say obi a oyo pemfo ba oyo pemfo no me bo ma hoden wo say nyi say mu de moja no hia extra because load eba no so mood and a man hoden ma unya the edge do time na obewo a unya hoden strength bi to push nya fe na baba ye say untimi na fe another alternative nso aba ye say kan ekutwa yes na wona onima na wugidi onidio ope mojedu anase oba mo am say ma moja during pregnancy so very good na obi ana adwen wo fam say ye peniu say ya play adwen wadro ba
na adwen wo fam say
adwen wo fam na IQ level ni ye low
wow
yes na adwen wo fam kire say obi wo ho ade ni wa ha say ya ka bokoboko sisiye obi sa ne say de ne ye kan yes si ya ka say adwen mu yare bebre na enye ne ye say be we yi ne ho nkwa na ya obi ana adwen mu ha no but adwen ne wo fam na ke say the ability to even memorize na say awofo betu sika sukuu no de enye sukuu agidin ne hia so sa akola no ne ewuye bia o extra classes teacher no o che na de ahomache obekọ school abanyumre de etwen still obetena exams no what no face there is something IQ level no wo fam na ebi adwemu ankasa ewo omega 3 yes omega 3 ahodi nroba kwa ebo adwemu yare ebie adwemu ankasa osueni ekoma o papa ebie na afei so ye peni a onse na rephrase na making obu asese na wafa ofun ye
obeti afa phone na ni refide nti ofa
sabe pepe etai ne pepe bre na hwenya yakra se wo ye wade bi so obi a ura dem akofa ade bi ura dem na refi ade ko den yes I was saying poetry esa kaya na kaya no aba afei so obu ho na yare bi a and most especially yare timichi fa echimu ba ko stroke yare yes obu ho a prekope se na ne ho fa na nte na nkasa anye e no to fom edware asa odiniti bo ho ontimi nkasa biem anobo na ama walusu ne memory ebie amene boa that adwemu yare no who say it's all strange say ti e kan eduro a obi refi ade a you need a miracle yes obo ade enyansa doctor for the match so ope adwemu eduro ba ko a etatahwa na very 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 good na ye bokoboko na haban no
yes bokoboko na bravo din water leaf
yes
water leaf
yes
okay
na obi a owo eniyare yes eniyare ni bebre no yare ba ko a diabetes etime deba
okay
obo ya mfa wo na nkasa ebeto no akwan mu obo ya diabetic no wan dan treat ni yie nti afa yare ba ko a echi enti no most especially eni no tube won se na wani nkosia bo se na aye weak anase yes pressure awo wani pressure na e woni pedua no se wo eni pressure ye obu wo ho na de ne cataract ade ba betete na ni so wo hwe nipa ni physically you can see e woni na ancestral bi o ho aye so kokọ surgery e ko yi kakra wo so ye ko scrape so na ye clear wo ho na samba obo on so na ese glaucoma afi na di hu no aye se e blur edure nwumre a o hu hwe ntubo on se nwumre o simpa cho mandu fie ntam ami hu kwam ana se obi okan o drive ya nwumre ontimi and drive e affecting the sight ye omo bi won se ka eniyare a na di hu no ye was short sightedness and long sightedness as adi hu ne omo nso a ona mewie so eniya na ensuo fini so bon so ho bobo nani nipa bia bo nani unconsciously but tutumu say we dey utimi steady a too fast etwatwa so bebre there's a problem nani no bon so kakra na wabo wani very good for eni eduro ba kwetata hwe ne na eniyare bebre no nso doctor Fadeba say nipa bebre adwen kon ye obi a otighten efidie chire most especially they say ejuma most te computer chitine ebo ejuma office de bia oti echire oyin nani o senye kom na de no anadwo so na de na ni say wo ho ni de bia na nani san so special e na obo ho so a phone ye ekuta ni oso anopa no obi na no ye twini mu pe first thing oba your phone ye ntia no ana obi ma nani ma ne ho say bia America ekwa so why too glued to the phone so a race no free hoba no and also affect it when you know enti na I na most especially no we advise say e was say na infidie chitina no say computer chitina no wo kakra na we when you pick we na anti kakra na ama when because we no constantly a year ejuma na wo ye kunyanya wa dwen so because no na odidi enti de bia why glued to computer race no kokko weni na won so we weni na afei weni na say atutom na weni na say ya wo ye bisa no constantly na afei ma weni no ye ntu wo hokora na wo pusa weni wo ho na pusa weni wo ho na pusa weni ni timi keka wa o adweme koso he bia na ekoku mpacho na weni no enti na pressure no the nerves and 19 is becoming weak na I am very good for and kra ma weni enye oya if you want to maintain and get good eyesight uhunu ade to so okode weni uhunu ade kwa chire nya fe na wo hwa ade a wo de no they no kra me hu ana obi ana de hu etutubo mu no so very good obu ho eniyare no ade de to ani wan fa anya asem ana obu ho ye welder edwuma o ye no wo se okata na ni there bi o sparks no ode no your experience awe mu de ye wo play na ye no wo ma mu ni hwe na wo peja e pacho bebre o se ana bibi memu most at times no o observe ya ana e base protective wears e kata bon ho ban na pemfa nyasem ade ye kro friend say working gear no ohu a bibi bia e wo ho ye say na tari bia o mpehye no pese o hye mrekwa edwuma na o ye no ho akade atare a wose o hye body ono ane ho ban no titi o ma me word esi say nyama na okay etimi ko nani obetwen a o mo nani ho ban o da ko be ka nani kakra pe ho na fe na akɔhye dark space mreko a wasan ko ye ena ne aka nani no so onti ne ho enye ne yi wose odwuma ne wo ho experience afi weni be no we ni fry eni edro ba ko etata hwe a doctor Fadeba so bi owo eni yare se eyete anase glaucoma na kata se wa ko operation e kwa eba wo ma we o operation obedi no kra mo meka no kra kire wa se ba ko na ye wo so a with time no esa ba the other one it weni better na afa you are going blind na ebua eni ye ni edru eni yare bebre no doctor Fadeba eye bokoboko ha ban eni ne hin no ope e ka ho a very good if I hintum very very good for yours ya no sa eni ne hin ni nyina na ya no ye fa hwintum very good for obi a owo eni yare na obi a owo eye akoma yare so very good akoma yare bia obo na yesi wakoma no ahoho ana se tokro abeda akoma nimu ana wankasa tumu se wakoma no ebobro se na wose ebo ntemtem so ana obo nso ayesi pulse no se na akoma ne bo no ewo fam any obi a wo high blood pressure very very good for esiesi akoma nankasa akoma emmoye ana se esi chambers no ebi enye adwuma fa ne ye adwuma the four chambers of the heart no bi ye adwuma bi nye adwuma say very very good eboa mantin no moja timi di efusane yi na doctor Fadema say eno be panya me be wu ansa na me wu haban aka bokoboko haban no very good for akoma side no ye noa ne mienu na bom na eye kejuwa ankasa obi your numbers are offer the ba Fadeba Herbal and Spiritual Hospital 0244 37 16 95 0244 37 16 95 and I say 0559 11 41 22 0559 11 41 22 obi a owo stroke and oyare asthma dey do kese pa obi a oye asthma wanu no me heal sa wa pa opa asthma do etata hwe ne e wode na ya o kase do bewu anabo asthma and out of that inti ama waya kete so ya bofra most especially you never know bona ne dey sha te say ewa owa na obo wa obeyi flames be unusual do nwumre a obebo wa saa asthma do ba ko teta hwe ni ye de ye moto ema obi owo asthma yare no na ofra no ope ewo pa e de afra obi yare stroke mubu yare stroke no say mouth stroke ni achia nanim ni aje wonsa obonsa fe unansi ontimi peja wonsa say your left and our right no so very good obepe ne be madua eye bokoboko no obepe ne be madua be madua no very very good for obi owo stroke yare no na haban no ene ne hin no bokoboko na ope no ape be ma haban e de aka ho na wape lime onu ewi na the lime so aka ho ope no dodo no anu ma obi a wantin mu ho kwa na wuntin mu ye utitiri numbness wo ho ase wachin kase na wo shoulder na ye titiri ai dududu no se ebo biebie ntin no ma fe e revive ntin ewuwo nyina no stroke ya radio ba kwacha sa hwe na doctor Fadeba macho say bokoboko haban very 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 good obi owo sa ha no na immune booster your immune system no so bo ade bia oni nipedwem ahone de bia ne nipedwa on hwe de mu ade baya ye no aso yare on yare
ya de kakre mu afre
sa pepepe ebo o ma wonya energy bi you always on the good to go de bia no ada na de bia no mkofa obi energy drink an waya odi esi ho eno na e de support me ko betima no de bia no waya de dendi enti de bia na ye ka na say na nanom no de bia waya du dosi ho enti ena ye energy drink no un say unkai da se utia oya wo so ya no pa ye so kono enti de bia no immune system no ye very healthy ya be bia e ba ni pedua ni mu a itimi e fight no say very 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 good no peni no bia de bia no ni pedua ni nyina waya kama bokoboko ahaban no your numbers are offer the ba Fadeba Herbal and Spiritual Hospital 0244 37 16 95 0244 37 16 95 and I say 0559 11 41 22 0559 11 41 22 ye juma de bia and trend that ema yankasa o trend say your more yares and sweet anamo there will be a utanamo now do any share as ye wa ye better ne te
me pacho next week sa kwanya bema aya me pacho mumfa spiritual soap ni huhumu so de
okay.
Why na yen share no so
Sure. Spiritual soap no.
Yeah, and huhumu no ma de no. Yamishapa. Father Abraham Heba and spiritual center no. Listen as you go move fa huhumu de no so mra. Because ye hu no maybe ye wo hu. Cause ye timi fighting no maybe. It's in the next week, you know, and Yamia do now who didn't call Dr. Sylvia de who no man beba. Who are Baby Church, said a bear, so. But they said they need new copies 104.3 near Quaco to us for news Brenner so. Now, Medindi OLA MICHAEL and DJ foreigners, the name Mr. Princess Sandro Nifrima Bankrasi. I'm yet more channel Pankania Hodea, a bishim, and go for be here, Mukumasi, but Muti me, Macramo.